Morning, guys. So as you can see or hear, I'm watching Gilmore Girls again. I love this show so much, and I'm so glad I found when they replay reruns, because it was probably one of my favorite shows when it was on. So I'm glad that I found the reruns. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, watch Gilmore Girls. And then I think we have a few errands we need to run with my mom, so I'm gonna do that. And I looked for jobs. There was none that were in my where I want to be, like grade-wise. There was a lot of middle and high school posted today, so I'm not qualified for that. I'm K through 6, and my preference would be either K through 2. So, what? Take your pants for a walk day? What? Peep minis. Okay then. Well, I will see you guys throughout the day when we go on our errands. Alright, see you then. Bye. Get your mousey, Zoe. Where'd it go, Zoe? Get it, Zoe. Let go. Meh. Meh. Zoe, the claw from the toy, please. Thank you. What are you doing? Ow. What are you trying to do? What? Huh? Careful. Careful, crazy girl. She loves like peppermint smells, and I just brushed my teeth, so she loves the smell of toothpaste. And this is what she does. She's such a goofy girl. You almost felt you're gonna, Zoe, you're gonna fall, Goofy. Oh no, now she's gonna attack. Here. So do any of you, if you have cats, act like this towards your toothpaste? Are you freaking out? And it's raining, so. Okay, no. Zoe! Zoe! What are you doing?
Zoe.
Zoe.
Babe, come on. Come on, you. Come on, Zoe. Come on.
You used to fit in there when you were younger. So I'm done reading for the day. I'm watching some vlogs, DLV. And when we went on our errands today, I left my camera at home because I was afraid that it was going to pour and it would get wet in my purse. But like the parking lot of the plaza where my mom works is flooded. She's just sitting now. She hasn't done anything. I'm watching her. So I wish I brought my camera because it was all flooded. But It didn't because I was afraid that it would pour and my camera would get wet. Zoe, you can't go up there. Up there we have ashes and urns. It's two of our cats, and then my grandfather is up there. She's trying to go after this stuff. That's not cool, Zoe. So it is that time of the day where we bring in this little girl to get to meet and hang out with the other kitties, because I've been bringing Zoe in here more and more because I'm trying to really get the main three cats, like the cats that we've had. I mean, Zoe is our main cat now because we've had her over a year, but the three that we've had the longest, the oldest three that aren't getting along. So I'm trying to bring Zoe in more. So right now she's going to hang out with Neo for a little bit. You're okay. He's not going to hurt you. He may seem big and scary. He seems to be okay with her. Like, I wouldn't feel comfortable, leaving him alone with her. Quite yet, I wouldn't leave her alone with any of the cats. Excuse me, I just had dinner. So, but he doesn't really seem to mind her. I mean, I don't know. It would just be nice if they could all live together and we didn't have to keep these guys separated, Zoe away at some point in time. So that would be nice, right, baby? Hey, little one. Right, big one. You're the biggest one of all. You're the biggest of them all. Okay, now Paris is the cat that I would say has the most issues with Zoe. Every time I bring her in, she's the one that hisses and growls at her. Neo kind of just ignores Zoe. And, yeah, he just ignores her. Paris, on the other hand, she'll, like, hiss and growl. And actually, this morning I brought Zoe in, and Paris swiped at her twice. She didn't hit her. She just kind of, like, went in Zoe's direction. But since I'm, like, right here, Zoe never leaves my lap. So, Paris had no way of hurting Zoe. What's over? Right, Neo? Oh, it's that big yawn. Oh, all the cats are yawning. So, right? We're just trying to get you guys accustomed. Right? And there's the normal reaction from Paris. And that's when I bring Zoe closer to me. Paris goes and does her own thing. And I just, it's just to let Paris and the other cats see Zoe. And to let Zoe see the other cats. Because she has no, real contact with them other than these little times we come in here. So it's just kind of show Zoe that you're not the only cat in the house. It's hard when you have older cats to assimilate a new kitten. And Zoe was a kitten when we got her. She's really young. She's still really young and she likes to play. And they're older. They don't like to play. Paris has a limp. So we think she has like arthritis. Gigi is diabetic. Seizures, and just Gigi's the oldest. And Neo is 20 pounds. And Zoe's like 10. So we're trying to get everybody together at some point. But it's okay because it works the way it does with this little time that they get. It's hectic. But we love our 4 cats. Guys, it is time to go to bed. So I want to thank you all so much for watching. It was kind of a lazy, boring, green, airing day kind of thing. My ears are like clogged. If you enjoy this video, sorry, it's kind of random, it's kind of late, so my brain gets kind of wonky at night. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you enjoyed it, whatever, I seriously don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. The TV's distracted me. Distractions. If you would like, please subscribe and come along on this fun, crazy journey of my life. I'm daily vlogging. Yeah. All right. I appreciate you all for watching. I can't even form a sentence. This happens at night when I'm tired. My brain kind of can't form sentences. So I'm gonna go so I don't sound too crazy. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all tomorrow. Hopefully you had a good day. Night. Bye.